Going by the crowd reactions at this Auto Expo, there were some winners, but some vehicles were not so popular. Here's a look at some of the vehicles which were winners and some which were not so popular.
Going by the reactions of the crowd at the expo and the feedback we've got on cartalk.com, we think the Renault Duster was easily one of the most popular vehicles at the expo. Expected to be launched this summer in the price range of 7 lakh to 10 lakh rupees, the Duster is going to kick off the compact SUV segment in India and probably change Renault's fortunes. Good ground clearance, strong macho SUV lines, and a frugal 1.5-litre diesel engine which promises good mileage at an affordable price was what really wowed the crowds about the Duster. And then there was a stunning looking Ford EcoSport, which promises plenty of new technology that also got visitors' approval. The EcoSport's 1-litre petrol EcoBoost engine promises to deliver 118 bhp of power, which is almost as much as you can squeeze out from a bigger 1.6-litre engine, while mileage will be in small car league with over 15 kilometers a litre. The fresh muscular looks, compact dimensions, and hopes of an attractive price tag endeared the EcoSport to the crowds. Of course, concept cars are always popular, and more so when they come from the country's largest car maker, known for its affordable and reliable cars. Small wonder then that Maruti's Concept XA Alpha SUV was a hit with the crowds. If this SUV makes it into production with the same looks that were showcased, it is bound to be a runaway hit. Speaking of looks, the iconic Mini Cooper can be described in one word: cute. This little British brand is now available in India and will definitely be as much a crowd puller on the roads as it was at the Auto Expo. We had to endure a mini stampede to actually get the pictures of this one. But there were some new cars that didn't quite cut it with the crowd. The Safari Storm, for instance, drew mixed reactions. While the changes to the Safari have freshened its looks and a whole lot of technology has gone into it from the Ariya, many didn't quite like the changes to the Storm. Also, fit and finish issues with plastic quality were evident in some areas. Besides, the crowd seemed to be asking for more than a facelift from what is now a 14-year-old design. Reactions to funny designs can be quite sharp, like the reactions we got to the Suzuki Palette that was showcased. This vehicle is somewhere between a van and a hatchback, but its tall, ungainly stance and weird looks didn't quite go down well with visitors. Also, the fact that it had a 660cc engine was frowned upon. In India, people equate bigger engines with more power. The same goes for the other Suzuki model on display, the MR Wagon. This looks like a WagonR design that fell off the designer's table. Its rectangular, boxy looks and ungainly proportions again went too popular with the crowd. And then there was the Chevrolet Sail. People actually gave the Sail a miss at the Chevrolet stall until GM decided to place a good-looking model next to it to at least get some visitors. The Sail is quite plain-looking and it didn't quite stand out. It will be available in India this year with a 1.2-litre petrol engine and a diesel engine, but no other specifications were given out. This car is supposed to replace the not-so-popular Chevrolet Yuva in India, but going by reactions, we doubt the Sail would do any better.